Yo, welcome back to another video, guys. As you can tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to measure your chain slack on your motorcycle. Now I'm going to be using this thing called Motion Pro Slack Setter. I highly recommend using this tool. You could use a ruler, but it's a bit confusing sometimes. This also can be a bit confusing. I'm not going to lie, it took me like 5 videos to fully understand how to properly use this tool, but today I'm going to show you guys how to use it. Now first things first, you guys have to know, if you're going to measure your chain slack, first check your owner's manual to see if your bike should be on a stand or if the tire should be flat on the ground. So that's the first thing you should check. Now second thing is, if your bike is a motorcycle like a street bike, or if it's a dirt bike, the directions will be slightly different. If you have a dirt bike, then you won't have to adjust this little piece here. All right, and I'll show you guys what I mean by that later on. But a little bit about this tool: it measures in slack measurement and also in absolute measurement. I don't know if you guys can read that. And then you can also adjust it here to like turn the numbers around or rotate this arm. But let's go ahead and jump right into this. So first things first, when you're measuring your chain slack, you want to measure from the middle point of your swing arm, from like the middle of the sprocket to the end of the swing arm. I already did my measurement and it's roughly right here where I'm going to be measuring, so I already have a good starting point. So what you're going to want to do is press this in your chain firmly, and then what you want to do is push up. Now as you can see, this top part is not touching the swing arm as of yet, which it needs to be. So what you want to do is press it up. So I'm going to go ahead and reset it. All right, so it's absolute 0, pretty much stock, right? Let's go ahead and measure it. So first, insert this piece into your chain, and then what you want to do is push up until you can't no more, and then this top part you want to push up until it touches your swing arm. So boom, now it's touching my swing arm. As you can see, there's a gap right here. What you want to do is press this part down. So that means that'll be your absolute 0 mark. All right, now this is where dirt bikes come in hand. When you go up initially and this top part is already touching the swing arm for the dirt bike, you will not have to adjust this part. Okay, again, when you press up on a dirt bike or on your street bike as well, and this top part already touches your swing arm, you do not have to adjust this bottom part, or sorry, this top part. So for me, I do have to adjust it because this is normal on a street bike to adjust it. So this will initially like be up already, right? It'll be up, but all you need to do is press it down, because then you'll get your accurate measurement. All right, so then now the third step, to see how much slack you have, what you want to do is press this down and keep it steady, and you should be getting like roughly 10 pounds of torque when you're pressing down. And then I am dangerously slacked. As you can see, I'm at like 54, almost 55. So that requires me to definitely adjust my slack on my chain, which I'll be showing you guys on a different video. But yeah, that's pretty much how you measure your slack on your chain using Motion Pro Slack Setter. If you guys have any questions regarding this tool, definitely ask me. Definitely watch other videos on it as well, so you can fully understand how to properly use it and how to properly measure your chain slack. If you guys made it to the end of the video, thank you. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and see you guys in a bit. Peace out.